Hey everyone! Welcome to a brand new section, the Rust tool chain and ecosystem. In the last section, we had a brief overview of Rust. We saw how to build simple applications with Cargo. We learned basic Rust syntaxes, and also the standard library of Rust, which helps us to build more functional applications. In this section, we'll get a brief overview of the Rust tool chain and the Rust ecosystem. We'll learn how to use Rust tools and how to leverage Rust ecosystem to make our development tasks easier. Also, we will learn how to manage dependency with Cargo, work with crates.io, as well as test our codes with Cargo. Now we begin with the first video of the section. We're going to examine the cargo.toml file. As Cargo is one of the most important tools of the Rust toolchain, it'll be easier to develop great applications if we can leverage Cargo. To do this, however, we need to add binaries and libraries to cargo.toml that control the functions of the tool Cargo. Now let's jump right in. You might have already heard about the cargo.toml file. The file is located in your project file directory. Let's see what's inside the file. Open it with your text editor. The file will be almost like this one. Here, the fields after the package are specifications of our project. The name field defines the project name, and version is the version of Rust. The author's name is taken from your PC. After the dependencies field, there's nothing. That means we don't have any dependencies with the Cargo in our current project. Now let's add an additional binary and library to our cargo.toml. First, create two new .rs files and name them lib.rs and bin.rs in the .src/ directory of your project folder. Then open the files in your text editor. Your lib.rs will contain this code, and bin.rs file will look like this. Now open up the cargo.toml file of your project directory in the text editor. Add these lines of code and save the file. Now I've got all these done. So let's run our application. If we go to our command prompt and run our existing Hello Robot project, you'll get an output like this. Take a guess. What actually happened? We've successfully added additional binary and library in our project. Let's check our last output. Did you notice that the main.rs file is not running? Our new binary executable is responsible for that. Let's solve this problem. You cannot run multiple binary files at a time. But in order to have the option to run both our binary files, we have to edit our cargo.toml file again in the text editor. Open the cargo.toml file and add these lines of code. Your updated file has to look like this. Now let's run our project with the command cargo run -bin hello robot. If you want to run the main.rs file, you need to type this line of code. You can see the output here. And if you want to run the bin.rs file, type mybin after -bin. You could see that the output demo is printed here. Okay, in this video, we learned how to add additional binaries and libraries to a project, and how to run multiple binaries. Hope this was very interesting to you. Next video, we'll learn about the dependency management with Cargo. See you guys there.